Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is July 1st. It's a Thursday, and we're going to start following Kathy around to see what sold for us today. I think today was a really good day for us.
Yeah, it was a pretty good day. I never say really good. I don't know.
Somewhere between really pretty good and really good, apparently.
I guess really good would be like $500 profit.
Well, yeah, obviously not that good.
But anything over 200 is pretty good.
Yeah.
200
I mean, when there's talk of a summer slowdown, you know, we've been doing pretty good.
So these, I sold the same pair yesterday in the other size. I mentioned this thrift store had like 5 pairs, but I grabbed 2 and they both sold. Now I'm like kind of regretting not getting the others, even though they were a little more beat up. I probably could have washed them or something and made them look better, but
yeah,
live and you learn. I mean, it's not huge profit anyways. So they sold again for 20 plus ship, also on Facebook Marketplace. So $5.99 into them, so it's like a $12-13 profit. Very quickly though. All right, CS. I have a couple things in here. This is not what I was coming for, but I know we sold those.
3
I think we sold this
whole box.
All right.
Okay, it's box clear out day.
What's funny though, these just all got put in there recently.
Well, that just means that they were sold quick, right? Because we probably took that one box here, put everything in it, and then those all sold in one day. That's crazy.
So these are just the brand Lower East Side, which seems like a cheapy Walmart, or I don't think it's Walmart, but like a department store cheapy brand. But because those are the chunky Y2K like sandals, like if you get the Doc Martin versions of these, they're gonna go for like 80 or more maybe.
Wow.
But these are just cheap. Any cheap versions, even Walmart Faded Glory, are gonna sell for around 40. These ones sold on Facebook Marketplace for 30 plus shipping, but the shipping was 12 because of how heavy they are.
Yeah.
So they did pay over 40 for these sandals, which is just crazy. I paid $6.99 for them, so a really good sale.
And make sure if you find them and list them, use the keyword Y2K.
Yes.
That's a highly searchable one for that kind of stuff.
Chunky sandals. And then these Tevas sold for $35. Technically plus ship, but Facebook covered the shipping on these. They have like a 4th of July promo. Again, I don't know how that's working because this person did not get free shipping. Neither did this person. So I don't know if they pick and choose or how they decide. But this person did get free shipping.
We got a couple questions about that, like who's getting the free shipping, what we don't know. It doesn't make sense to us.
Facebook is
they don't really make it very obvious and or even possible to know. I don't know. So if anybody out there does know, please let us know how we can find out who gets these promotions.
And I'm gonna try to get a lot listed too there in the next couple days, just
in case.
But yeah, so these sold for $35. Chris picked those up when he was in Woodland Park for $12.99, so just under a $20 profit, which is really good. Yeah. Considering he doesn't really know what he's doing. He's just kind of like, oh, I saw a cat picks up Teva sometimes. So
that's also the trip where I picked up that blanket right there that we have not listed yet. So I want to get that listed this month.
And then lastly from that box was the Roundtree in York. These are just some... I don't even know where these are sold. Maybe Kohl's or something. I don't know.
Roundtree.
Not like an expensive brand that I would really pick up at a thrift store, but I got these garage shelf filler bag for $2 for the whole bag. So these came out to 29 cents. I sold them for $20 free shipping. They are going to ship in a padded flat rate, so $7.76 for that. And the profit's probably just under $10. So I think that's worth it. I got probably 6 to 7 pairs of pants. 29 cents, maybe even 8. And they're all going to sell for probably around $10 profit. I think that's worth it. So.
Yeah.
I already pulled these out because I needed to find a box to fit them, but I sold this Hank Zipser, what is it? Zipser.
The books by the Fonz.
Yeah. So that book set. I picked this up at a garage sale for $5 for the set. Sold it for $20 plus shipping on eBay. And this box fits them perfectly. I'll probably put some sort of covering in case the box gets wet. I don't want the books to get ruined, but yeah, medium mail. This only costs $4.57 to ship out, so not too bad.
I don't know, should we leave that battery sticker on it?
No, I'll probably cover
Maybe take that off.
So B. So these are mini Melissas, which you guys see me sell a lot. These ones were very worn, and I feel like something was broken off of them even, but I don't know. I've been dropping the price slowly on these. Finally got them sold at $12.77 free shipping, so I think I'm only making like a $4.55 profit off these, but better than losing money. I only picked them up for 99 cents, and the shipping cost $5.42, so not saying don't pick up mini Melissas, that just wasn't a good style, and they were just in really worn shape. So. And even still, I made $4.50. I mean, that's not bad. Oh man, I didn't write what this one was. This is what it is. It's a Columbia PFG shirt, another one where I'm not profiting a whole lot, but these are the kinds of things that I consider bread and butter. I know it's going to sell, even if it's a $5 profit. I'm okay with that. I would have liked closer to a $10 profit, but I did recently drop the price on it. Sold for $22.45 free ship. I paid $5.99 for the shirt, and the shipping, this guy lives in Puerto Rico, so it's $5.98, which is like the most expensive it possibly could have been to ship out, but yeah. That's okay. I think I profited like close to $7, which is doubling my money, a little more than that. Okay, sold these Crocs like a boat shoe for women. These sold for $22.45 plus shipping. I only have $5.69 average cost of goods into those. And then BY. That is a Patagonia men's better sweater jacket. This sold for $53.95 plus shipping. I paid $12.99 for that at the Goodwill. That was another one of the items. So it sold on eBay, but it was one that I was getting several messages on Facebook. Will you take 30? Will you take 40? And I was just like, no. I just listed it and it's Patagonia.
Right.
It retails 100 something. I was looking to get at least half of that, so I just ignored. I never even said no. I don't have like all day to just say no to people. All right, these little Nike slides are for like a toddler. They sold for $17.95 free shipping. Shipping's costing $3.69, and I only have $3.55 average cost of goods into them. So. Not bad. And then BP. Oh, I guess I should just stay there.
Just stay over there.
Right. This is the brand Sweet Honey. It's a really good kids brand to look out for. This sold for $29 plus shipping on Mercari. I did notice the person who bought it first put it in their cart on Kidizen. I don't know if it's a viewer. They didn't say anything, but yeah, it was a little, well, it was about the same price, but she offered on it on Mercari because you can't put in an offer on Kidizen.
Right.
So, yeah. So, yeah, I don't know if they're a viewer, but if you are, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much for the support.
Just smart enough to price match or shop around.
Shop
That's
around.
what I do when I'm looking for something to buy. All right, CX. So these men's Carhartt cargo shorts, sold them for $20.95 plus shipping, and I only paid $3.99 for them. All right, DH. All right, these are some men's Hurley Phantom board shorts. They also have like a little soccer, you'll see it in the screenshot, but you can't see it here. It has like a soccer logo on it. So I picked these up for $4.99, sold them for $20 plus shipping on Mercari. And last but not least is Chris's sale.
I made a sale today, guys.
A good one.
A good one.
Yeah, so this broken,
Dirty.
disgusting.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Didn't even clean it.
Like, it's disgusting.
Screen's all shattered.
Yep. And this still sold for $79.99 plus shipping. That's crazy. He paid $3 for this at a garage sale as is. Sold it as is.
Yep.
Hopefully there's no issues. I mean, it's very clear that it's as is, so.
Right. And that was, listed as is. I did test it. It does power on. I used a cord. It works. You can. I don't know the password to get in, obviously, but you know, it's user locked, but yeah, I think it's in better condition than I described it as. So he should be happy.
You didn't even say that it turns on,
right,
even though you know it. So when they get it, they should at least be happy. Oh, well, it does more than we knew it did. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was a really good sale. That made the day for sure.
It was a good one to wake up to.
So yeah, if you could list 3 of these, something like this every day, we'll be in good shape.
I'm kicking myself because there was another laptop there. It was like a Toshiba, and I just passed over it because I got the 2 Apple. And I kind of wish I got the Toshiba because $3, you know.
Yeah.
But all right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this stuff packed up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys. Was that a sale?
No.
Okay. All right, guys, we just got everything all packed up and ready to go. And yeah, that one, we did not have any more sales come in. I thought that was a sale, but it wasn't.
Just somebody wanting half off of a price.
Oh, yeah. No thanks.
That's every day.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I
good day.
did clean up the board, have a new fresh month.
Get over that. Stand on that side, yeah.
All right, so June, we listed 362 items and sold 357, so that's really good. Last month, these 2 numbers were pretty similar. This month, not so much, but I don't really believe in summer slowdown, so I'm not gonna call it that or anything. But I'm still really happy with for the middle of for June.
Yeah, for our June.
We got up and we only listed I'm used to listing more like 400. I feel like so I was still happy with the outcome. So yeah, we listed $11,505 worth of items. Again, that doesn't include shipping. So it's also plus shipping.
Right.
But my sold price does include shipping. So our gross sales amount was $10,639, and then out of that $10,000, it cost us $1,190 to ship.
Okay, so pretty big discrepancy there then.
Yeah, so it's more like 9,000 something.
9,000 to 11,000, yeah.
So not too bad. I'm happy with it.
Yeah.
So yeah, and then so far today, July 1st. I listed 10 items so far, but I have plenty more to do. I don't know if I'll get more done today. I'd like to, but again, it's summer, so pretty much every afternoon, our kid just woke up. You probably just heard him turn on his iPad. Every afternoon after we do shipping, which is around 3-4 o'clock, we try to get outside and do something.
Yeah.
So depending on how tired we are later on, depends on if we get any more listings up. So if not, we'll start again tomorrow. But yeah, we have some family activities for the weekend, for the 4th, and then our kids both have birthdays this month, so.
And we are planning a little...
we have a little 2-3 day
getaway.
Trip, but we won't tell you this.
We did have a viewer bring up a very good point. Not advertising the days that we're going to be gone, just so nobody tries to break in or whatever. Not that we're too worried about that, but I am. Yeah, we do have a lot of people watching. A lot of, our neighbors. We're really good friends with all our neighbors, and security system, all that kind of stuff. So it's not that big of a problem, but a little bit of privacy isn't a bad thing. So, but I am anticipating on having enough videos uploaded and ready. I am really going to make sure we get that, because the last 2 trips we've had happen, we didn't put videos up because I was thinking about doing it there, and it just didn't work out either time. So this time I'm gonna have the videos up and ready to go. So and then we'll show you and tell you guys what we did and all that, probably around the time that we go or after the time when we've come back. So
Other than that, we were just all these people going to flea markets like other channels that we watch. So we haven't been to ours for probably 10 years.
Yeah, not as resellers. So we're gonna go. We're gonna try to go this weekend.
Last time we went, we weren't resellers, so I wasn't really in the mind of let me find stuff to flip.
Right.
But all I remember is just stuff seemed more like cheapy stuff, they would maybe buy from AliExpress a ton and just sell it there at a markup, which is fine, but just not stuff that I'm looking
for reselling,
to resell.
right?
I'm more hoping about people that go to the bins or something, and then just put all their stuff out and mark it up a little bit, enough to make a profit, and then I can mark it up a little bit more, make a profit. So that's what I'm hoping for. But it could be a bust. But we're gonna really try to do some GoPro footage.
Yeah, we're gonna wear a GoPro with that and see what our flea market is all about.
Yes. So I'm hoping it's good. I mean, if it's anything like the pictures are showing here, that's what I'm hoping for. Almost like a garage sale, but maybe prices are a little higher, but not too high. So we'll see. We might find a bunch of stuff. We might find nothing.
Yeah.
It should be a fun adventure.
And what do you think, Reese? You got anything to say? No? You're mad because we're not taking you on this trip this time.
You gotta stay at Grandma.
Yeah, he's gonna stay with Grandma and my sister, who's staying with Grandma, or my mom. But yeah, so he's not gonna be coming on our trip with us because no pets allowed at this one. So, was there anything else you wanted to say? No?
No, I don't think so.
No, I think that's it, guys. So yeah, we're gonna call it a day here. Get the stuff off to the post office. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.